Namaskar. Let me tell you what I've learned about the world. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Let me tell you what I've learned about world is that fear is the number one motivator. And I wish it was love of knowledge, but it's not. It's fear. Fear of so many things. Fear of failure, fear of being discovered, or, yeah, fear of liking the wrong person. You figured that out, and somewhere along the way, you dump all that fear, and that's what makes you so special. But it also makes you vulnerable. See, I think fear can help you. Fear can be a very good thing, dear Unique. It can keep you from underestimating people and keep you from making mistakes about how far you can push someone before they push back. Always remember, you are unique and there is only one you. Dear Unique, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. Thank you so much. Love you. Be in the shelter of God's love always, forever, and beyond.